1. Place 3 to 6 eggs in a pot and cover them with cold water. Lay the eggs gently in a single layer at the bottom of the pot, then add cold water until the water level is about 1 in, 2.5 centimeters, above the eggs. This ensures that the water boils efficiently, the eggs cook evenly, and that you can get the timing just right, not too long, not too short. To make the eggs easier to peel later, add 2 teaspoons (9.9 milliliters) of white vinegar or a pinch of salt to the water. Also, use eggs that are at least 6 to 7 days old, which, compared to fresh eggs, tend to peel without getting any craters. 2. Bring the pot to boil, then turn off the heat and let it sit for 10 minutes. Crank the heat to medium-high until the water comes to a rolling boil. As soon as it does, cut the heat and put the lid on. For the perfect hard-boiled egg that has a firm white but a creamy yolk, let the egg sit in the covered pot for exactly 10 minutes. For runny whites and loose yolks, let the egg sit for 3 minutes. For slightly runny whites and loose yolks, let the egg sit for 4 minutes. For a perfect soft-boiled egg with silky whites and custardy yolks, let the egg stir for 6 minutes. For firm whites and solid yolks, let the egg sit for 15 minutes. 3. Remove the eggs from the pot and run them under cool water. Use tongs or a slotted spoon to remove all the eggs from the hot water, then immediately run them under a cold faucet for about 10 to 20 seconds each. This stops the eggs from cooking any further, and the quick temperature change creates a layer of steam between the egg and the shell, which makes peeling a cinch. Or, immediately plunge the eggs into an ice bath for 1 to 2 minutes to stop them from cooking.